Hello, I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Hallie Vogel. We had a mild, breezy start to the weekend, fairly mild as we head into tonight, dry and cooler tomorrow, though much colder next week. Looking at our hour-by-hour forecast, not a whole lot of weather to talk about for the end of the weekend, a mix of sun and clouds. Monday morning, a push of moisture, and Monday it looks like it's going to start off as rain, maybe changing over to a rain-snow combination as colder air is ushered in. Temperatures tonight, upper 30s in the city, mid-30s in outlying suburbs under partly cloudy skies, mix of sun and clouds during the day tomorrow, highs in the upper 40s. We'll stay in the 40s on Monday, but look at those highs on Tuesday and Wednesday only in the 30s with lows in the 20s. It's going to be cold for midweek. A slight chance for a rain shower on Friday. Temperatures next weekend again in the 40s. I'm 7 First Alert meteorologist Hallie Vogel. We have a great night.